Ever since the invention of the personal computer several decades ago, and the introduction of these computers onto the manufacturing floor, the utopian thought process of a paperless factory has always been a goal that seems just out of reach. Standing in the way of this goal has been some major roadblocks that, until now, made the paperless factory difficult to obtain. The first of these roadblocks is mobility of the documents. The second is connection to the internet. And the third is, frankly, just poor software design. But these roadblocks have been removed thanks to three major advancements in technology that are a must for every factory looking to go paperless. The first of these advancements is mobility. Until recently, employees had to access digital documents at a stationary kiosk and travel back and forth between the kiosk and the worksite. The work being performed and the access to the document were in two different places, making it easier for employees to just print a paper copy for convenience. The influx of mobile devices have eliminated the need to print these documents and allowed employees access to documents when they are needed and where they are needed within the flow of their daily work. The second recent advancement that needed to happen is wider access to Wi-Fi. Once mobile devices became pervasive, the need to access network and software on the shop floor became a high priority. This plant-wide connection has now allowed digital documents to be accessed where the work is being performed. Drawings, PM checklists, quality inspections, safety audits, leader standard work, just to name a few, are all accessible at the fingertips of the user when needed. And the third and most important advancement has been in the software design itself. New software design technology has given employees a simpler user experience that ensures buy-in and interaction with the system. Using lessons learned from social media spaces, smart factory software platforms like L2L are platformed production associates, maintenance technicians, and support organizations can all use in concert with one another. Documents arrive on the software platform at the exact right time where they are needed. Performing a PM on a machine, the PM checklist and drawings all launch directly to the mechanic's mobile device. Digitally collected data from this document rolls up to a single source, allowing the data to be accessed on demand by anyone in the organization. This type of user interface and a single source digital library eliminates the need for redundant documents, charts, and handwritten notes, and thus significantly reduces the amount of paperwork on the shop floor. Gone are the days of printing and posting performance charts. Gone are the days of handwritten action item lists. And gone are the days of out-of-date, out-of-control documents on the shop floor. The age of the paperless factory is truly here. To learn more about how your company can easily go paperless and modernize your factory floor, go to L2L.com/smart-factory for more great content. I'm Eric Whitley from L2L, and thanks for watching.